Hi, this video will talk about working with Cucumber in Cypress. So we all know in Selenium we will be using Cucumber where we can write the tests in BDD format as in given when then format where we anyone in the team can read and understand uh, the test scripts, right? So in Cypress, how to do that? I'm going to show this is very basic setup. In future we recordings, I will be showing working with different types of feature files. This is a very basic step, and in this I'm going to use IntelliJ as my editor. So in IntelliJ we should already be installed with the Cucumber plugins required. If I'm using Java, I can have Java. You can go in the settings, you have this plugins tab in which you can download any. For example, if you see, if you want Cucumber for Java, Cucumber for Groovy, anything that you require, you need to have it installed already. So yeah, let's go. There are very basic few steps to take care for the configuration in Cypress. So let's go one by one. Step 1 is to install Cypress Cucumber preprocessor. That is the plugin we will be requiring. So this is the command you have to execute in the terminal, and you can see it in the package JSON file. Since I have saved it as a dev dependency, it is coming under dev dependencies section. This is the plugin we require for Cucumber. All right, then step 2. In step 2, we'll have to go into the index.js file under plugins, and we have to mention this on file preprocessor Cucumber. You need to have the constant Cucumber defined as this preprocessor is required, and inside this config function you need to mention on file preprocessor Cucumber. So this has to be there in your index.js file under plugins. Step 3. Under cypress.json file, you have to, this is not required for basic step, but yeah, just keep it to have maybe later it will be useful. Now it is optional. You can have it in the cypress.json file, tester files, all the feature files. And step 5 is to create feature. So under integration we can I have already created a file. You can go any name and then give dot feature, which will be creating you a feature file here. So I have created test Google search dot feature, in which I'm only opening a Google page for now. You can have the keywords, features, scenario given, everything, and this particular test is going to open a Google page. So this is my feature file for now. So it's under integration directly. It's not kept any under any folder. It is directly under integration folder. The extension is dot feature. Okay, now how to write step definitions for that? Step definitions can be in the same integration folder. The step definition also should have the same name of that feature. Create a folder with the same name, and inside that create a JS file with the same name. If not, if we want to reuse them again and again, you can go into the support folder and give a folder name step definitions, and inside that give the exact name of the feature file .js file. Again, under support, step definitions, and in that name exactly same as the feature file. So now I have given the same name as my feature test Google search. Here I'm going to import all the given and then, like we usually do in Selenium, right? So we are going to import all those keywords, and have defined constant Google URL, and given this is the format visit URL. That is it. This path, step definitions path, has to be mentioned in the package.json. There should be one section where for Cypress Cucumber preprocessor, where we are saying non-global step definitions are false. And then in step definitions, we are mentioning the customized path. This is where I have kept my step definitions files, right? So I'm going to give the path here, exactly as it is there in Cypress support under the step definitions. Inside that I'm going to have my step definitions files. So now let me run the Cypress and see how it works. Cypress open. I'm able to see my test Google search dot feature here under integration tests. I'm running it. See, given I open Google page, I'm able to see the text here, the feature file content, and it has opened me the Google page. This is very basic. These are the basic steps required for to write feature files like we do in Selenium, and to create step definitions and to glue them in the package.json. This is the very basic structure we require, and going forward I will be dealing with more advanced topics on this. Thank you.